Val, and welcome back for another video. Today is not a normal video, guys. We have a guest today that is gonna try my food. He's gonna taste my food for the first time, right? We was having a conversation and he said, "Well, you can't taste some. You can't give me some dinner." Yeah, that was exactly what. You can't give me some dinner. I'm saying, "No, I don't have nothing today." You know, because everything what we cook in. Yeah. So he said, "Tell me what you want, man." And he said, "I want ackee and saltfish, dumpling, banana, sweet potato." So I'm gonna go out and get that. Right? I'm at Delpratt family Airbnb today. Yeah. Guys, if you want a nice experience of Jamaican style cooking, authentic Jamaican food. So the link is in the description. So if you want to book this nice luxurious Airbnb, and you know me can put the nice food and phone too. So just link me, guys. Just link me up, man. Yes. So today I'm gonna be cooking ackee and saltfish, banana dumpling. So if you hear the little noise, the kids are around, the family are around. So just bear with me today. Today is not a normal day. So I'm gonna start the ball and roll, guys. So stay with me, alright? So first thing, I have my ackee. I have my ackee that's already picked. I'm gonna wash it though, you don't wash as yet. Right, so I have the saltfish. Right, I'm gonna wash up some more of the salt out of it. It's soaked from overnight. I didn't boil it, I just soak out the majority of the salt from it. Right. So I have onion, sweet pepper, tomato, right? Some scallion and thyme. I have garlic. You know, I have to turn up my flavor, you know. I have a piece of pepper, right? So you don't know. I have a little small amount of black pepper. Pimento seed, right? This is a bottle of the pimento seed are in. I have banana. Sweet potato. Woo! Hey! This is nice flour. And my cornmeal, I'm gonna make some cornmeal dumplings, so stay with me, right? Yes, this ackee is 3.5 dozen. You believe that? Look at liquor. Look at them small. $300 a dozen. $300. But because ackee is not plentiful right now, so it's kind of expensive now. $300. Sometimes sorry, I'm not living in some part of Jamaica, you know. Sorry. But you need it, you have to just buy it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna cook my ackee with a piece of thyme, some pimento seeds. I'm not gonna use anything else for now. So just the water is on the fire over there. So I'm gonna start cooking my ackee. All right. Using some cornmeal. Can't wait, you know, I'm gonna wash out my belly. Even though it's not my request, but I don't know, I have to in this. I have to in this. You know what I really notice? When people come from foreign, they don't want like oxtail and them something they know. Guess what they want? They want can saltfish, escovitch fish, them kind of stuff there. Yeah. Most of the times. Yeah. Yeah man, them want the taste of Jamaica when them come home. You don't want to oxtail and them something and a fried chicken and you know? put that dough here together and come right back. Banana them soft. You see them white? Extra white. Very soft. Water here there, so this water, you saw the touch pad change color, the pad change color, that's the reason for that. The water is there boiling for a couple minutes. Let's put a little salt, I want the banana, I want the food in. But banana and a piece of sweet potato to flavor. So, and change color. But anyways, they're gonna come back to the right color, you know? No worries. I got some vinegar, but just pour some on it. You know, but don't have enough cooking oil though. We can just put some cooking oil in the water. My water starts to boil. Start to boil up some more. So the banana them come pretty. Oh, nice colors. No. Wash my vegetables. Season, wash everything. Alright, so I'm gonna prepare them now for the ackee. Alright. Strip out my onion. Some of the flavor here first. Get all the nice saltfish flavor. Make the ackee and saltfish extra nice. Oh no, that look up there. Yeah. I'm gonna put in it. Nice lovely seasoning. You know what I'm gonna be doing before I cover this down. Make all the nice lovely ingredients that come out in the stalled fish. Wow, wow, wow. Smell the aroma. Oh my gosh. This is so awesome. So I'm gonna put in my ackee. Alright. But I put the ackee with some pimento seeds, you know. So if you say one and few pimento seeds, you know, say, you know, that's the little leaves. I kind of stick them out. Get some black pepper in. Them too mash. Okay, them mash out too much, you know, because I take my own little time. Right. Alright, so we can just cover this down. Turn on the stove on the low heat, the lowest, let it simmer for about 5 minutes, right? Low. Right. Alright, so I'm gonna turn on my stove. Look at my saltfish and ackee. I'm not gonna stir it anymore because I don't want it too mushy. So, alright, so let's turn on this. I'm gonna have my look at banana. Look how them soft. Look, wow! Can't wait. You know? Hope y'all wait. Ricky?
What you want, give me?
How much you want?
Take like 3 of them for now.
3 for now. Alright.
Got me.
Who actually have a first?
Come to be, man. Come on, come.
Burn us.
Yeah.
Burn someone.
Could we yet?
Okay.
It is on already, so me know.
But Ricky, no, Ricky are the one that never ever yet.
Yeah.
Watch the video them.
So I'm gonna say, right?
No, you know what's what me say.
That on my mind, but I'm not gonna say it. But it's good. The active,
Nice.
right?
Yeah.
I mean,
So sit down now. Make yourself comfortable. Nothing
hey, watch your
I can't meal dumpling, regular dumpling. We should get her some banana. You ever eat green banana dumpling?
This is good.
Tell the people that way.
This is what I came to Jamaica for.
Tell the
This
people
is
that way
really
they
nice.
asked me yesterday. When you look on the phone, they said, Barlow, you said, Barlow, you can get the food about the food. What kind of food you have over there?
Oh,
I'm gonna say what you want, what you want.
I didn't know.
And they say don't know, and they come back.
And
Think
some
you're going there thinking.
yeah, some I want some ackee and saltfish with some banana, yam. I mentioned sweet potato too, you
You see
know.
the sweet potato there?
No, you say no, you don't want the yam, you want the sweet potato.
Sweet potato, yeah.
It's so good.
Yeah, man. I love when people enjoy my food. It's like, you see me? Yeah. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna link this Airbnb in the description, alright?
And when you come at this Airbnb, call back. Setting up good. No regrets. Good, nice.
And you're definitely gonna say,